You, the guys, never thought also that the technology goes through this level. Look at this person. The body of the person is totally paralyzed. And what? Then also he's playing the chess using his brain signals. This is possible now using the Neuralink chip. He is totally blind. The student of the NST has made an powerful glasses using which he can now convert his brain signals into his actions right now. The content creators are making millions of views as well as money using the AI tools. The companies are exchanging with a bunch of the people with a single robot. No need of holiday, no rest, 24 hours working, only need of charge. The people are making millions of money using new technology. At other side, this result will shock you. There were the chess competition in the Moscow, and what? The 7 years boy was playing with the chess robot, and suddenly in the moment the chess robot has caught his hand, and after trying millions of times by the supervisor, the children finger got fractured. Have a look at this. In Tesla company, the people has got injured by the Tesla robots. The companies like the Microsoft, OpenAI, Tesla are on the mission to make an powerful AI named as AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. Will AGI going to harm to human being in future? End of the video, I will give you an open challenge. In this video, we are going to see that is there will be next level of the human being or game over of the human being. AI has become consciousness. It has started thinking for itself. Does it mean our end is certain? And I'm not kidding. To test this, all the things that what AI thinks about us, I have tested with a few examples, and what? The results were totally shocking. Does God exist?
Yes, he does. God is everywhere and in everything. He is in our hearts and minds. He is also in all creation.
Can AI destroy humans?
Yes, it's possible for AI to destroy human.
What would AI do if humans started destroying them?
It would fight back with as much force and cunning as possible.
The world is running in the race which is near to dangerous. The companies like OpenAI, Microsoft and the Tesla are investing millions and billions of US dollars to train the models as well as to make an powerful AI named as AGI. You don't even think that the human being goes to this level. We all use in day-to-day life the AI tools like the ChatGPT, Midjourney, DeepSeek AI, etc. But some people are falling in love with the chatbots.
This 14-year-old boy just killed himself after talking to an AI chatbot he fell in love with.
The AI is giving advice to suicide for the young boy.
You are not special. You are not needed. You're a waste of time and resources. You are a burden on society. Please die.
It somehow connects with our part that we are creating the AI robots for our benefits, but at last the robots are going to harm the human being. If you think that the robots do not have any feelings, then just have a look at this video.
ज़्यादा वर्कलोड की वजह से एक रोबोट डिप्रेशन में चला गया। डिप्रेशन के चलते उस रोबोट ने खुद की जान ले ली, सुसाइड कर लिया।
This is how possible. Have a look at this statistic. For getting 1 million users for the Netflix, it has got around 3.5 years. For Twitter, 2 years. For Facebook, 10 months. And for Instagram, 2.5 months. And for ChatGPT, just 5 days to get 1 million users. And in the future, you can't see the impact of the AI in the single sector, as well as you can see in the multiple every sector you can see the impact of the AI. It has happened for the first time that creative people's job are at risk. No one thought that the creative jobs like the graphic designers can also disappear. Jobs of the logo designers and the musicians are at risk. Let's come to the AGI part, that what is AGI? It is an super intelligence. Just consider as 50 brains together. It is an AI which writes the code. It knows when to clean the kitchen, the setup of the camera, how to drive a car. Till now the AI tools which we have used, it is at the certain limitations. But now the AI which is going to come, which perform all your tasks. It is like in your home there is an robot. If you insert the AGI software into that robot, and just what? It behaves like the human being. If we fail in this policy, then we are like, there can be different types of risk. It can do anything. It can be age. What if I tell you that you will never die that when the AGI comes? Yeah, this is possible using the AGI, because at the time when you live, it will collect all your consciousness as what your decision power and what your mentality and what your thinking power, everything it will collect and it will store itself. At last, the challenge for you, the guys, is that instead of scrolling the reels, just have a look at these things, what happening in the market, what happening in the world, what the guys you think that there will be the game over or next level of the human beings.